Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 57 here. Here we have a NASCAR Authentics from the 2022 Wave 4. This time we have Austin Cindric's Auto Trader car. And on the back you can get other cars like Kevin Harvick, Brad Keselowski, Joey Logano, and another Austin Cindric, but for his chase piece. Let's get Austin Cindric out of the box. So we have a sticker, which is the classic Auto Trader logo, Auto Trader, his name, and the classic number 2 with a side pattern of his car. So here is Austin Cindric. So obviously Austin Cindric is another new rookie in 2022. Here is the rookie stripes, and he won the Daytona 500 in just his first attempt at the Daytona 500, which is pretty impressive. So obviously take a look at the car. Obviously there is the blue spoiler or blue rim, obviously. And obviously the classic blue number 2, which is always on the Auto Trader car. So the Auto Trader card for this year has the new and improved orange. Well, I mean the same orange, but also differently. The sides are now different, now with a white and a blue dashed line instead of what it was originally, where it was just blue right here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention Austin Cindric took over Brad Keselowski in the number 2 car, so he became a rookie. Yeah, that's why. All right, anyway, moving back to the car. So obviously the new Ford design body. Obviously now the next gen body. I have no idea what this under piece is for. Obviously Auto Trader, the logo Auto Trader, Snap-on tools. Yeah, this is one, I think, unique design car, although it does look a little simple. And obviously it's been the same paint scheme a lot, throughout the same consecutive years, but for the next gen cars, they made new ones. So here's a 360 view of the car. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe for more NASCAR Next Gens coming out later this week.